Here is it, DJI Avata 360. I've been waiting for days to get this package, and honestly, as someone who spends his most of his time traveling and filming outdoors, I'm really curious to see what DJI has created this time. Let's go. Let's open the box. Well, my first impressions, the box looks really nice. Let's see what's inside. Oh, a landing pack. This is very nice because I never have one, so beautiful land. And then we have the box, I guess, with the 3 batteries. I went for the fly combo with all the batteries because, you know, when you are in the location, you never want to run out of batteries. What we have here, 3 batteries that I guess charge at the same time, USB and the power button, the RC2 remote, bueno, and here is it, the DJI Avata 360. As you can see, have the normal camera and the 360 camera. Propels very small and protected. Very nicely, very light, very easy to and compact transport. And what else we have here in the back? Some propels, even if they are protected, it's always good to have some spare propels, some stickers, the quick start guide, and the cable USB for charge the batteries. A cloth to clean the lens. As a beginner on a FPV mode, I'm very excited to try this. The crazy part of this thing is I can record at 8K 360 video. Here also we have the RC Motion 3. This is another controller, a part of the RC2. And the most exciting part is these goggles. This is something I'm very exciting to try because as a normal drone pilot, I used to fly the Mavic 3 and the Mavic 4 currently. This is something I never tried before and I'm really looking forward. As FPV drones, everything I have seen so far then normally looks very intimidated, but this looks very approachable for any beginner. So I can't wait to try this on the field.